Managing a massive shopping complex or multi-location retail business can be a logistical headache. But what if you could visualize every store, floor, and operational detail on one interactive map? That is exactly where MAPOG comes in. It eliminates static, scattered data by centralizing your entire complex into a dynamic, visual dashboard where you can track tenant mix, floor logistics, and real-time operations. Before coming to MAPOG, create an Excel sheet listing all the stores within the shopping complex you want to keep track of, making sure to include key attributes like categories and floor levels. Once your data is ready, head over to story.mapog.com and navigate directly to the Operations and Planning workspace. From there, find the Locations menu and click on Add then New Location Type. Add a title to your new custom location type, choose your preferred color and click on Point Type Location. Add different location type attributes like store name, address, floor, and others that match your business needs. You can also choose the field type you want from the options given, like text, image video upload, multi-select, etc. Click Create Type to save it. With your foundation set, head back to the main MAPOG dashboard and go to Create and Publish Maps. Click on Create New Map, navigate through the templates, and choose the dedicated Store Mapper template. We use this because it's already optimized for retail logistics, making it incredibly easy to manage multiple business locations. To keep things organized, add a professional map title and a short description for your project, then hit Create Map. Now, let's make it look official. Go into your map settings and add your shopping complex brand logo to show credibility to your team or clients. Now it's time to bring your map to life by going to Add Location and choosing Upload CSV. From the drop-down menu, select the business location template or the specific location type you just created, and upload your shopping complex's CSV file. Next, define your location fields by matching your Excel attributes correctly, setting the store name as your unique ID to prevent duplication, selecting WKT, and hitting Submit. Instantly, all your location points will appear directly on your map. This is where MAPOG's core Store Mapper functionality shines. Instead of just dropping static pins, the Store Mapper opens up a robust suite of options designed specifically for retail. Now, you can go to the Style Manager and create a new style to customize how you want to see your locations on the map. You can go to Categories and choose whether you want your points to be viewed by colors or icons, and set your location points to be viewed by store name, floor-wise, or any other basis you want. It instantly maps out advanced features like call-to-action buttons for store navigation, links to website menus, and direct dial management phone numbers. It ties your back-end CSV data directly into an interactive front-end display, instantly transforming flat coordinates into smart, actionable retail points. Next, click on the display properties, and you can select the attributes you want to be displayed and deselect the attributes you don't. This lets you customize the level of information you want displayed when a store or location is viewed. For daily operations, you can easily use the built-in filter tool to show only entertainment stores, dining stores, or specific retail sectors with just a click. Once your map is customized to perfection, head to the Preview and Share section. MAPOG gives you the flexibility to share your map both privately and publicly depending on your operational needs. You can share your map privately by assigning specific users and designating their roles as an editor or a viewer, keeping the data secure within your organization. Alternatively, you can share your map publicly via an embed link, which is perfect for publishing directly onto your company website or customer app. If you need assistance with data uploads, spatial analysis, map creation, or professional GIS consultancy, reach out to the team anytime at support@mapog.com.